Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the Adobe Rush video rendering comparison speed test between the Realme X1 Max versus Poco F3 GT device. Let's see friends, which phone can actually render the video faster, and both phones they do have the Dimensity 1200 chipset, and both phones are the 8GB RAM variants which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration purpose. So before starting the video, I'll try to show you exactly what is the internal storage availability between both phones, how much it is used and how much it is available. Right now, as you can see friends, 64GB is used in the Realme X1 Max, and in the Poco F3 GT, as you can see, 66GB is used, as you can see, occupied. Now let's start the application. So it is the Adobe Rush application. Let me try to open the Adobe Rush, and I'll try to use even the high performance mode later on. So first without high performance mode and then with the high performance mode. Let's see whether it makes any kind of difference in the speeds or not. So this is the exact same file which I'm trying to render in both phones. You can see the estimated size as well. So even the estimated size also is quite similar between both phones, as you can see friends clearly. So both phones are having same kind of estimated size. Now let's see. So both phones are having Dimensity 1200 only. Let's see how much difference will it be there between these both phones to render this kind of video rendering. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Export again. Let me just slightly zoom in so you'll be able to focus exactly on the percentage. So right now it seems to be both phones are handling in terms of the rendering kind of close to each other only, but slightly 1%, 2% is slightly more in the Poco F3 GT if you try to observe clearly. So now you'll be able to see it, 17%, and the gap is tends to increase with the time. The gap is increasing, as you can see friends clearly with the time. 25% the Poco F3 GT, 25, and both phones are 8GB RAM variants only. As you can see, 34%, 35%. So it's kind of rendering really faster in the Poco F3 GT. So I'm not sure why, because both phones are Dimensity 1200 chipsets only, but still it's rendering really faster in the Poco F3 GT than the Realme X1 Max. You can see here friends, and even the internal storage is also available kind of close to each other only in terms of the internal storage, and you can see the results. So now the difference has been increased, close to 15%. The difference increased with the time. So this is just the basic 1080 video. I'm trying to convert into the render into 1080 only. So what if you render 4K? So how much time it's gonna take? So I'll try to do those kind of videos again, but still just the basic comparison between both phones. So both are having the Dimensity 1200. So which phone can actually render faster? So this is the question which has been raised by a few of the subscribers, asking me to test this kind of Adobe Rush mainly. That is the reason I'm doing this kind of video for them. So right now it's 92%. As you can see, the Poco F3 GT was able to finish the rendering faster. As you can see, this is a Poco F3 GT, 100% finished. So when the phone is about 100% the Poco F3 GT, the Realme X1 Max is kind of close to 76 and 75. So 25% was difference between both phones, Poco F3 GT and the Realme X1 Max device. Now let me try to do one thing. I'll try to turn on the high performance mode. So let's see, turning on the high performance mode, will it increase any kind of rendering speeds or not? That is what I'm going to check, and I'll try to conclude the video finally. So it's kind of close to 96%, 97. As you can see the time. Yeah, now it's finished. Now let's go to the settings and let me turn on the high performance mode. So there's a high performance mode option. Let's see whether it will help any manner or not. That is what my main point of making this video. Let me try to export again, and let me try to click again. Yes. So now both phones, let's see, high performance mode, will it boost or not? Yes, it's kind of boosting, I guess. The Realme X1 Max, as you can see. Now the Realme X1 Max has got slightly better scores. You can clearly see, friends. Let me try to slightly zoom in so now you'll be able to understand it better. So using the high performance mode may increase your Realme X1 Max performance. Absolutely. Now this is a live proof which we got in terms of the rendering. So before we did see, so before without high performance mode, the Realme X1 Max didn't win the race. But with high performance mode, now the Realme X1 Max is getting back into the track. As you can see, it's clear difference how it is between both phones, Realme X1 Max. This is the Realme X1 Max, as you can see, and the Poco F3 GT, 53% in terms of the Adobe Rush rendering comparison only. Same video file which I selected, same settings and everything is same, but still different result, as you can clearly see here. Realme X and Max is finishing kind of close to, I think, 97%, not bad. 100%. Yes, 100% the Realme X and Max did. And the Poco F3 GT is taking some time, as you can see friends clearly. So using the high performance mode, the Realme X and Max did really great job in terms of the rendering the speeds of the Adobe brush. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other applications for me to test, I'll definitely do the testing in my channel. Thank you for watching this video friends, and signing off. Bye.